guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I know I'm super late on the train for this one. It was a hard moment for me to decide to actually buy it, which is weird because I bought Fenty Beauty highlighters and the golden highlighter, and I've been like obsessed with some of the other products, but I didn't buy the foundation. I don't know why. I really don't know why. So I recently got it. The difference in this tutorial and in this review is that I've already tried this foundation for a full week, so you will get the details on how I like it so far and what I feel about it. So you get to know my take on it within a full week's sense instead of a full day trial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos and hit that notification bell so it tells you every time I upload. Also, make sure to comment down in the comment box below what you think about this foundation. Have you tried it? Do you like it? Are you wanting to try it? Are you also late on the bus like I am, or what? Let me know down in the comment box below, and let's go ahead and get started with this video. So we're gonna get started with the face. I'm gonna be talking and applying all of my products so that way we don't waste any time. I'm going to freshen up my skin using this Pixi Beauty Glow Tonic. Thank you, Pixi, so much for this. It is such an amazing thing. And this is just going to refresh my skin because I don't have anything on all day. I had no product on. I was just barefaced. What I love about the Glow Tonic is that it is super smooth on your skin. It does have glycolic acid, but it is not drying. It's actually very soothing on your skin. So that is what I really love about it. For my hydration, I've currently been using this First Aid Coconut Water Cream, and it's a gel form, so I really love it. Because of that, I heard this from Jasmine Garcia, Jazzy Poo. It's super light, but is very moisturizing. To keep the coconutiness going, I'm using my Hangover Primer by Too Faced because, like I mentioned, this is an all-time favorite of mine. It's very refreshing and it is so nice on your skin. I'm gonna jump into the foundation. I'm using, like I mentioned, Fenty Beauty, and that's the foundation we're reviewing. It has 1.08 fluid ounces, so it has like 0.08 more than the regular. Okay, bougie, whatever. It is the Pro Filter Foundation Soft Matte Long Wearing Foundation, and I believe I'm using it in shade 200. It says on the box that it's a medium to full coverage for all. It's long wear, light as air foundation. So there's that. We'll apply two. I do feel that it's not, I have to build it up to have it be like the full coverage foundation that I tend to grab or go for normally. I've been using my beauty blender, and I've been using this foundation pretty much for a full week now that I've had it. The color matches so well on my skin. I heard a couple people that this foundation was oxidizing on their skin really, really bad. And I've had foundations that oxidize on my skin really bad before. But guys, this one doesn't actually oxidize on my skin. Weird. From what I've applied, it matches so well with my neck. It is one of the foundations that I'm not afraid to wear it, or I'm not afraid to say, oh my gosh, people are going to be able to notice that I have a ton of foundation on and it is so bad. Like, this foundation actually feels really, really light to the point where I forget that I'm wearing foundation. And it's such a nice blending form, you know? Now, if I look at my skin with just this first layer, I can see a bit of my skin seeping through. And I understand it said medium to high coverage, so obviously you have to build it up, which makes sense as to why I could see my skin, you know. I can see some redness or pimples still seeping through, but since I've been using this for a week now, I've managed to learn that with one more pump, so I use 3 pumps total, 2 first and then the third one if I need it. I go in and apply it on those areas that I feel like can use a bit more coverage, you know, and I'll go in and just pat it on top. I feel like this foundation does set pretty quick too, so you'll have to move quite quickly if you dot it around all of your face. So far this week, this foundation has also worked very well with my concealers, or with my favorite concealer at least, which obviously you guys know is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Since it's a light color, I just go in and highlight as well. But add any coverage to those places that maybe the foundation didn't get it completely. It is a matte foundation, so I don't look shiny whatsoever. Again, if you've watched my other videos, I have dry skin, so I've never really struggled with oiliness, but it actually is nice to have a matte foundation so that your highlight pops and it doesn't show a glow all over your face. Like, the dewiness is awesome. I love dewy looks. Trust me, I love them. But it's also very nice to have foundations that aren't dewy, that they have a matte finish where like it just looks like normal skin. And I love it so much, so much. One of my most recent favorite products that I've been using, guys, is this Too Faced Natural Face. I bought it when I was out in Generation Beauty, and it looks like this. It is, you can see me right there. It's very gorgeous shades. Like, you get 2 highlighters, they are more pinky, then you get bronzers and the blush. Blush, I'll use it here and there, but what I like to do is grab the Sunny, Honey, and the Tropic Like It's Hot. It smells like candy too, so I'm not mad whenever I get some in my mouth by accident. And this will just go ahead and bring life back to my face. So you guys can see the difference between this side and the difference between this side. Like, just by looking straight forward, you guys can tell a difference. And I'll go ahead and use the Pink Sand blush, and trust me when I say it's pigmented colors, so just be careful. I'm not a big blush person, so I don't use it too much, but if I do, it's very lightly. Another of my favorites has been this Anastasia Beverly Hills Amazing highlighter. Like, guys, come on, you gotta admit it, it looks like gold. And I'm just using this Alexi 540 fan brush, applying this. And I like being generous with my highlighter. And that's really all I've been doing on my face so far. To set my foundation and everything, I've been using 2 different setting mists. The first one I've been using is this Morphe setting spray. Absolutely one of my new favorites. I bought 3 bottles. Definitely love it. But for today, I'm actually using this Pixi Skytree Makeup Fixing Mist. And this one, I really like it. I mean, the Morphe has an amazing scent. I love that so much. But this one actually has rose water and green tea infused in it, which makes it smell so sweet, but not like sweet candy sweet, but like refreshing sweet. I'm gonna go finish my eye makeup, which will be another video that I'm going to be filming. And I will be right back. So guys, that is how I do my foundation using this Fenty Beauty. It's been over like an hour now that I've been wearing it. Like I mentioned, it matches so nice with my skin tone, with my complexion, with really everything. It's been a week since I've worn it, and I've got people that tell me, oh my gosh, your skin looks so much better. The foundation hasn't cracked on you. And people don't know that I'm using a different foundation, mind you that. So people have seen a difference in my foundation, and I really have as well. And I really like it so much. So as for me, is the Fenty Beauty foundation approved? Yes, it is approved. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and make sure that you hit that little notification bell so it notifies you every time I upload a video. I will see you all on my next one, and I hope you have a great day, night, whatever it is, and I'll see you all next time.